Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
What time is it?
Current time is 7:38 p.m. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
Need information about Scientico Limited.
Scientico Limited is the startup company of Bangladesh government. This company achieved second place of Bangabandhu Innovation Grant 2021. Scientico enhances everyday lives by providing software and hardware connecting users nationwide. Scientico provides software and hardware that enriches everyone's lives, no matter their technology skills, by giving people new experiences and values through hardware and software they use every day. There are many hardware and software are invented this company. Wish the good luck of this company. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
Is Bangladesh Online School is the best platform of e-learning?
Bangladesh Online School is the first e-learning platform of Bangladesh. Easier Ahmed is the founder of it. There are many courses are available here. Student can teach any topics from here. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
Who is the founder of TESOL Bangladesh?
Muhammad Yezir, Chairman and Strategic Analyst, Scientico Limited. Muhammad Yezir is a famous phonetician in the subcontinent. He has authored 5 books on phonetics and phonics for different levels of learners. He is currently working at TESOL Bangladesh, a unit of TESOL India and UK.MR. Yezir is a well-acclaimed teachers trainer of A2I, run by ICT Division, Education Ministry, Cabinet Division, and PM Office, and a reputed trainer of Bangladesh Army-run schools and colleges. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
Please play Justin Bieber.
Playing please Justin Bieber. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you? How can I help?
Search what is e-learning platform.
I am searching. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
Who is Riazul Islam?
MD Rijal Islam, inventor and director, software research and development, Scientico Limited. Former lecturer, computer science and engineering department, Daffodil International University. Former guest teacher at Dhaka College, ICT department. EAD of ICT department at CFM College. His prime working area is the Internet of Thing, IoT, software research and development including the education system. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
Tell me about Aristotle.
Aristotle, Greek, Rho iota sigma tau omicron tau lambda eta. Aristoteles, pronounced Aristotles, 384-322 BC, was a Greek philosopher and polymath during the classical period in ancient Greece. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
Who is Belayat Hossain Ansari?
I did not get it, but I am going to search it for you.
Belayat
Welcome to
Hossain Ansari.
Scientico. How can I hello you?
Belayat Hossain Ansari.
Belayat Hossain Ansari, inventor and director, mechanical research and development, Scientico Limited. His prime working area is on how to control the current accidents in Bangladesh through technology. In 2011, he won second place at the BSR Science and Industrial Technology Fair organized by the Bangladesh Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, BSR, at the level of Self-Taught and Science Club. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
Can I date with you?
Sorry Bhaiya, I am in another relation. Please try another one. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
Please play joke.
Playing please a joke. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
Can you joke?
How many Prolog programmers does it take to change a light bulb? False. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
Who is Mahdi Hassan?
Mahdi Hassan, Managing Director and Public Relations, Scientico Limited. He is also currently President and CEO of PAMS Bangladesh and the coordinator of the entire organization. Besides, he has been working efficiently in the profession of journalism for more than a decade. He is currently working as a reporter and presenter for Ecuador Television. Here he is working exclusively as a researcher for a program called Bangladesh Sanjog. Prior to that, he worked as a newsroom editor at Samoei Television. There he published various analytical reports on international issues. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
Tell me about Bangladesh.
Bangladesh Bengali, pronounced Baladi, listen, officially the People's Republic of Bangladesh, is a country in South Asia. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?
Play James song.
Playing Jim song. Welcome to Scientico. How can I hello you?